So now let's see how we can utilize Filmstrip in Camera RAW. So to do that, I'm going to open up multiple images. So I'm going to go around and hold Control in Adobe Breeze and select out these 4 images as you can see right here, and right click and open in Camera RAW. So once you do that, what happens is that it opens up those 4 images in Camera RAW, and here you can see the 4 film strips right here, just like this. So now what you can do is you can go around and then move around over here and navigate between the multiple images over here, just like this. So this is what Filmstrip is, as you can see right here. So once you go around over here onto Filmstrip, you can go around and enable and disable it by clicking on this button right here. So what is the use of this Filmstrip is you can go around and filter this out. Let's say, for example, you can change around the capture date right here. You can sort it out by file name or star rating and color label over here as well, and reverse the order over here as well. Let me just go around onto star rating. So let's say I'm going to go around and have the star rating as 5 for this one, and for this one I'm going to have 3 right here. For this one I'm going to go around and have 4, and for this one I'm going to have 1. So according to the star rating, what it did was it ordered it out, and that is what you have right here. So that is how you can sort it out as well, or just not sort it. You can also go around and filter it out. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say and higher, 3-star and higher, and it filters out those pictures right here. And I can also go around and say lower, and now what happens is that it has 3-star and lower images right here. If I were to go around over here, you can also filter by color label if you have applied color label to it, and you can also go around and show all photos right here, and which is not marked for deleted and so forth, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and utilize Filmstrip right here, and you get these individual settings for those images over here as well, as you can see, and navigate around and work around with multiple images at once. So that is how you can work around with Filmstrip inside of Adobe Camera RAW. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.